Hello, everyone. Welcome to the series of Healthathon Achiever. And not just an Healthathon Achiever, Adi Shankari has gone beyond being a Healthathon Achiever. We just found out that Adi Shankari has also stepped in the Hall of Fame with a total body weight loss of 10 kgs in a record amount of time. So Adi Shankari is from Teni. It is near the it's in Tamil Nadu near Kerala border. She has two children. One child goes to college and another is in grade 10. Currently, they are both in hostel and Adi Shankari is missing them badly. And Adi Shankari joined in the month of July. July 15th is when she started, and close to 2.5 months. And Adi Shankari has seen remarkable progress. Adi Shankari is an inspiration, and I wanted to bring Adi Shankari as a guest in this series so we can all hear her experience, listen to her, and learn from her experience and her, all the challenges and the success that she has gone through. So welcome, Adi Shankari. Thank you for taking the time out and join me in this interview.
Thank you, Roma.
Yeah. Wonderful. So Adi Shankari, tell me a little bit about your journey. How was it before you found me, we met each other, and how has your life changed from there? Tell me a little bit about that.
Before joining this program, I used to go walking, I used to do exercise, but it was not on a continuous process. One day I'll do, one day I won't do. I'll feel lazy to do. Like that it was going. And my weight was always 69 only. I never reduced from that. Even if I'm on diet also, it won't get reduced. I had a maid before. We both will do both cooking and do all the cleaning. Even when I had her, I felt like I'll do the whole day. I'll have work for myself. But before joining your program, only she left it, and I was really vexed. Like how am I able to manage? And I was feeling very tired also. But after joining your program, I had lots of body pain. I had back pain, I had knee pain, all that. And when I saw your webinar, I just asked my husband, can I join Ruma's program? He said, you just give a try. You just you just follow the diet first, because on the webinar itself, you said you should stop that 4 things. He said, first you stop it, then you see. I said, no, I feel like I want to join. I don't know, I want to join. He said, okay, fine, you take it. I know you can do, so you join it. He just gave me permission and I joined also. From after 15 days, for first 15 days, I wasn't strict with your everything. But after 15 days, I started following all your instruction, diet, everything. From the day one itself, I stopped millets, rice, milk, sugar, everything I stopped. No means no. So I stopped it on the first day, and exercise I started gradually, because exercise videos were in the last, and so I started gradually. And Ruma, when I started doing my exercise, I don't know where my body pain went, because my children were at home. At night, I'll ask them to massage me, spray the medicine and massage. Both will take turns to massage. Now they are telling, Appa, thanks to Ruma, we are sleeping 10 minutes of, we should massage you and then go to sleep. It was like a punishment for us. But now, I don't have that body pain itself, Ruma, and now I don't have a maid also. Mine is an individual house. I have a 5-bedroom houses, two big halls. I'm able to manage, I'm able to clean, I'm able to mop it. But the whole day, it's like I'm doing some work, but I'm able to do it. I don't have stress. Like I'm able to do everything. Only thing was I wasn't able to spend time with my children. But now after the Savita's program, I made a point that I should sit and speak to them, and I've scheduled a time for them. No, this is your family time. You should sit and spend with them. And now I'm calling all my friends, relatives, everyone per day, 2 days, for 2 persons compulsory. You should speak to them. That life, Ruma.
Wonderful. Adi Shankari, it is so heartening to hear that you're not only working on your health, you're also working on your relationship. And that is excellent. And I think you are mentioning Savita Nanjappa, the external speaker we brought in to help us how to be productive throughout the day. Okay. So you're following what she has taught also. Excellent, Savita. Excellent, Adi Shankari. You have that thing that you love to learn. And I think that is the key to your success as well. Everything that you hear, you have the zeal and tendency to learn. So
I usually don't speak much, Ruma. I don't speak much. I'm a good listener. My family, my sisters will always be telling, why are you not speaking? Speak up. But I've never, this is the first time I'm speaking to you. I was like, will I able to manage? I've just clicked this. We'll see. It's Ruma only now. We'll see.
I know Ruma only.
You're so friendly, Ruma. I don't know. From the day one itself, I never felt you were someone else. You were just like a part of my family.
Thank you so much, Adi Shankari, for that honor. Thank you so much. Now, Adi Shankari, you were saying that you were following something before Women's Health Mastery also.
Yes.
Just tell us a little bit more about that. What was that? What kind of results you found? And then how the program changed?
I used to follow GM diet. It's a 1 week diet. On the first day, you should follow vegetables. 1 day fully fruits, 1 day fruits and vegetables. But the whole week, I used to starve myself. But at the end, I lose 2 kgs. After a week, 10 days or when I weigh again, I'll be the same weight. It will be just the water loss during this. But I never gave up. I used to be the diet. I used to be it continuously for 3 weeks also, but I never changed. I used to starve 1 week during that Shashti we'll celebrate. For that all, because to reduce weight itself, I'll be that on that this, but I have never reduced. Only now, Ruma, it's a sudden change for me. Like when I weighed myself, I wasn't able to believe myself. Is this sustainable? Is this possible? Can we reduce so much? Is this possible? It was like a dream to me, Ruma.
What do you think was different, Adi Shankari, between what you did before and what you're doing now? What is different?
Before, when I used to go for walking, I'll think, should I go? It's so tiring now. But now I'm feeling very energetic. My body, I feel very light and energetic, Ruma. I feel also young. Now I started going for jogging also.
Very nice.
5 minutes walking means 1 minute jog. That I'll go for half an hour. Now I'm feeling very light, Ruma. Before all, I was like, I hate cooking. But now I started loving to make cook for my family. That too. Now I know what I love. When I'm cooking rice, I'll say, you should not eat rice, have this, no. Because for me, leaving millets wasn't a challenge itself, Ruma. Rice wasn't a challenge because millets was close to it. But when I make it, even if I make a small quantity, it will be like I should have for the whole 3 meals, I should have this. For that itself, I used to influence my family. Please have at least for curd rice, have this, no, I like that. Then even they started liking it and they are also having it, Ruma. So it will be half enough of my food also, and it will be combination of both, Ruma.
Wonderful. So you're making the entire family thing, Adi Shankari. Instead of just doing it for yourself, you're making
the entire family. Plus I'm making rice also for them. They'll have both mine and also it's like that. So but before I hate cooking, Ruma. But after say the joining your program only, no, I started like to cook, and now I don't have a maid, so I'm really very energetic to do all my household work.
Adi Shankari, this is a huge thing. One is you don't have a maid, you have a huge house, you're doing all the household work yourself, you're cooking also, and that also you're making this as a family thing. you're not just cooking for yourself, the entire family, you're making the entire family healthy. And that is a beautiful thing, because end of the day, Adi Shankari, what I feel is women are the foundation and pillar of the family. We can influence our family's behavior also. If we say that I'm only going to cook healthy food for you, then the family has to eat healthy food. They don't have an option, right? So for a mother, or a wife, or a daughter, for a daughter-in-law, it is very important that they themselves are healthy, then the family around them will be healthy. So amazing, amazing. Adi Shankari, you also went through the healthathon, and you were one of the group leaders as well. So tell us a little bit about your experience in the healthathon, and how did that help you overall?
Healthathon main advantage was that group forming, Ruma. It was really very motivated for us. The weekly habits you gave also, I didn't follow, because I started before itself. I started following your this, so I didn't follow. But from my group, they were really, because most of them were complaining, I don't have time to watch the videos. What should I do? What should I do? And the people who are joining late also, they used to have the same doubt. But I said, you just follow this, then you start seeing the videos, that's enough. So following that videos habits was really easy for our group members, Ruma.
Wonderful.
And being in a group was really, because we used to share our diets, we used to share what we are doing, exercise, this. Other than your exercise, they'll tell us, do this yoga. And if we have any pain or anything, body issues, any health issues, there will be someone to help us, Ruma. It was like, first it was like only Wednesday we used to come, we be together. We didn't have where to clear our doubts all. But being in this was really very nice, Ruma.
That helped. Wonderful, wonderful. So it's the community feeling that that motivated and kept each other inspired. Excellent, excellent. Now, Adi Shankari, for you, to follow the entire program, how difficult was it? Did you find it difficult to follow? Did you face any challenges on the way? How was it for you?
For me, millets wasn't difficult. Rice wasn't difficult because millets were close to them. I still have that sugar carvings, Ruma. Because I used to add sugar only to drink milk. Now when I stop milk, okay, no to sugar. But as soon as lunch, I want to have some sweets. But now I'm having peanuts. It's fine, Ruma.
Okay. So peanuts is helping you to overcome your cravings.
Wonderful. And exercise, the starting day of the exercise. Now I've come to Axillary Kit. When I do my first, in the phase 0, first day of my exercise, I have that pain, Ruma. My kids, they'll know, you're having pain, no? It's okay. We'll get something from the hotel. Or my daughter, she'll voluntarily come and tell, I'll cook for you today, Ma. You just instruct me. So my family also, they've adjusted to this, Ruma.
Yeah. And then the pain subside.
Just one day. The next day, it's fine, Ruma.
Just what is used to moving those muscles? No, never moved before.
But that pain also, no, Roma, it's nice feeling only.
Yes. You know that your body has moved. That's why it's not the pain. I know what you're talking about. It's not that pain which is making you uncomfortable, but it's the pain which is telling that your body is moving. Excellent. Great, Adi Shankari. Thanks so much for sharing. And Adi Shankari, one last question. If you have one takeaway, one message for the women in our community or for women above the age of 40, what is your message to them?
Message. Stay healthy. Eat healthy, stay healthy, Roma.
Wonderful, great. And Adi Shankari, and when you say that, one last question came to my mind. Okay, now health is one thing, and health is something that the Women's Health Mastery Program will definitely help you with. That is the basic promise. But other than health, what kind of changes or what kind of benefits did you see in yourself and people around you, and for people around you? Other than health, what were the other things that you got?
My aunt lives nearby, another aunt. Seeing me, she's motivated. She also wants to reduce. so she's also following my diet, Ruma.
Wonderful.
In my family, seeing me, my sisters joined your program.
Oh, they did?
Yeah, Archana.
Okay,
Archana
I
11.
see.
She's my sister. She joined. She said, first she said, you tell me, I'll follow yours. I said, no, only if you join Ruma, you will be motivated, because I know about her. She's very lazy. So I told her, now she's fine, Ruma. She said, thanks for guiding me, Ruma. And my family, they are very supportive, Ruma, because they morning and evening, they know this is your time. You have your time. Now, because before all, morning when I get up, I'll go directly to the kitchen. I'll have to finish it and then go for my work. But now they said, you first finish your exercise and then you come to us.
Amazing.
So I have seen a nice change around my family. Even my kids, they are able to understand me, Ruma.
That's so nice.
And weight loss, it's just like a magic, Ruma. I've never been. I'm healthy and I'm fit.
Yes.
First I set my goal only to 60, Ruma, but you said no. You set it to your goal way, your BMI and 55, and I've set it, and now I'm 59. Very soon I'll be 55.
Absolutely, you'll be there, and congratulations on that also, Adi Shankari. You know, one of the good points that you covered, I think that is where many people miss this out. They see it only as weight loss, and that is one of the message to people also, that do not see this as a weight loss. You know, you should be able to gain in health, you should be able to gain in relationship, you should be able to spread happiness around you. Like you said, you are now able to take out time to call at least 2 people on a daily basis, right? So it is not just health, but we are trying to help women develop overall, you know, bring in that
I've gained confidence also, Ruma. Before I never used to speak like this. Now I've gained confidence also, Ruma. I can. It's like I don't know, because of the weight itself. I don't know, but when I go outside, I feel confident. I go sportively and I go speak to others. Before all, even if they are there, should I go and speak to them? If they come, let's speak. And then go off. But now sportively, I'm going and speaking to them. And because of this COVID also, we were in the house for 1.5 years. We never went out also. That may be also. But now, I wanted the relationships, Ruma.
Yeah, so confidence as well. That is amazing, Adi Shankari. So Adi Shankari, thank you so much for sharing your journey with us. You are an inspiration to many, many women, Adi Shankari. All the members of your group really look up to you, Adi Shankari. And welcome to Hall of Fame as well. We will have a separate segment of interviews for Hall of Fame. And thank you so much for your time today, Adi Shankari. And I am sure that you will reach your target very, very soon with the Accelerator Kit.
Thank you, Ruma.